Final Cut Pro is great, but it's not perfect. There's a few things missing or poorly done that when you need it can be really frustrating. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 plugins that take Final Cut Pro from being just good enough to being awesome. Hi, my name is Serge, and on this channel, we try to help you make the most out of your equipment and software and tell a more engaging story by making better videos. Today, I want to share my top 5 most used plugins and the problems they fix in Final Cut Pro. And this video is not sponsored, so I assure you, these are my honest opinions. If you make videos to share on social media, like posting to YouTube, you'll notice Final Cut Pro has a very limited selection of social media elements, especially anything platform specific. It comes with a few social media titles, but they're all very generic and honestly boring. mTuber 3 from Motion VFX has exactly what you need for sharing your projects on social media. The intro for this video that played a few seconds ago came from this pack, and it's very user-friendly. All I had to do was replace the text, add my logo, change the colors, and add some music for my own custom video intro. Another element from this pack I love using is a subscribe call to action. mTuber 3 comes with a few different options for this, and all you have to do is add it above your timeline like a regular title and fill out your channel info. Simple and a nice subtle way to remind people to subscribe. This plugin also comes with animated backgrounds, social media lower thirds and icons, picture-in-picture presets, and more to make your next YouTube video really stand out. Another thing missing from Final Cut Pro is any type of checklist titles. For this, I use a checkbox list constructor. You can buy this plugin as a standalone purchase from Envato Market, or if you have a subscription to Envato Elements, this plugin is included. This plugin is super simple and only comes with one title preset, but that's why I love it. You just add this above your timeline and select the shape and color of your checkbox. Inside this box, you can add a check mark, an X, or even a letter or a number. Replace your text and use the on-screen controls to adjust the scale and position of your title. To add another line, just hold down the Option key and drag up in your title clip to make a copy of it. Reposition it and change the text. Do this as many times as you need for a simple animated checklist. If you make list videos like this one, or just want to add some text that stands out, title cards are an amazing tool. Final Cut Pro doesn't come with any. You could build your own, or as you can probably guess, there's a plugin for that. The one I use all the time is mTitle Pop from Motion VFX. There's 50 presets to choose from, with really cool animations both for the background and the text. By default, these presets are pretty bright and loud, but everything is fully customizable. So if you need to, you can tone it down a bit or a lot. One cool thing about Motion VFX plugins is a lot of them come with little extras. This one, for example, comes with what they call zaps, which are just simple little animations you can add anywhere in your video. Most of them are fairly subtle, but can be a fun little way to direct the viewer's attention. If you make tutorials, gear reviews, presentation videos, or something similar, you know how handy it can be to have on-screen elements. Final Cut Pro basically comes with none of these. mKeynote from Motion VFX is my go-to for on-screen elements. The animated backgrounds this plugin comes with are probably my most used preset here. They just look freaking cool. It also comes with these cool animated boards, infographics, placeholders for multi-screen effects, and more. You can even get an animated clock in case you need to tell someone what time it is. If you've ever tried keyframing anything in Final Cut Pro, especially Motion, you know how much it sucks. You basically have zero control over your keyframes. That's why whenever I need to keyframe any movement, which is in every single one of my videos, I always use Add Motion from FX Factory. This plugin comes with an adjustment layer and a few pre-made motion presets, but the most powerful tool included with this plugin is the manual Add Motion effect. You add this effect to your adjustment layer and set the start and end framing for your movement. Now here's the best part. You get to choose the motion type for both the start and end of your animation. There's a bunch of options to choose from too. So instead of this, you get a beautiful animation like this. I'm pretty sure I've used this plugin in every single one of my videos ever since I got it. I've actually made a dedicated video about it, so if you want to learn more about Add Motion, click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.